Hey, this is Aryan Shahzad, a PPC expert at Silver and Marketing. We have successfully managed an ad spend of $100,000 on Google Ads, and in this video, we are going to see how we grew Tomken Veterinary Hospital using Google Ads. If you see my screen, it's the Google Ads dashboard, and we have spent around $2,200 and generated 235 leads, means 235 clients, with a cost per client of 9.45 Canadian dollar, which is pretty much impressive for a veterinary business. So in this video we will see how we did this, and if you are a veterinary business, how you can do this. So what we did is, when this business came to us, it was a totally new business. It didn't even had a website, so we took the developer on board and created a conversion rate optimized website. By the conversion rate, also mean that we created relevant service pages for relevant services. In this digital era, relevancy is the most important thing in advertising. So we created separate relevant pages for each service. So you can see, like, there are a lot of services and there are separate service pages for each service. For example, if you see that this is a promotional campaign for pet dental care, and there is a limited time of 50% off, call now, contact us, and refer a friend and get 10% off. And if you go to the contact us, it's a form to capture leads. So we created a conversion rate optimized separate landing pages for each service, and then we moved to the research part. For the research, we started with the competitor research. This business was based in Mississauga, so we looked at our competitor, how they are running ads, how they are doing advertising, and how we can do better than them. Then after that research, we moved to the keyword research part. We did the keyword research for each specific service. For example, if it's wellness, vaccination, breeding advice, x-rays, there we did keyword research for each of them. After the keyword research, we developed ad copies tailored to that specific ad group. For example, if it's cat spay, we developed ad copies related to cat. Is cat neuter, we developed the ad copy related to cat neuter. And same like this, we created separate ad groups, separate ads for each service. This was to maintain the relevancy. As I said, the relevancy is the most important thing nowadays. People want that. Even Google prefer relevancy over these everything. So we created relevant ad groups, and as I said that this was a totally new business, and it has very low budget. It had only $500 a month to spend on Google Ads, so we had to choose only one campaign. So we chose search campaign, developed ad copies and everything, and in this search campaign we created different ad group for each service, same for the relevancy, and within each ad group there was relevant relevant keywords and relevant ads. Okay, so if we see the performance of the campaign, we are getting a CTR of 11.71%, which is very impressive. This was possible because of the relevancy. Ads were relevant, and people were clicking on that, and the conversion rate is also 11%, which means the landing page was also relevant. And these are one of the most important matrices for any service business. This is it, and you can see after doing all of this, we generated tons of leads with a good cost per conversion and a good conversion rate and good CTR. And if you have a veterinary business as well, and you want to get this much leads or sales, and if you have a veterinary business as well and you want to get tons of leads and sales, you can contact us. You can find our contact details below in the description. Thank you so much.